Here at Animal Kingdom today. We're going to go check out a few animals, and then we're going to do a little park hop over to Epcot. But we thought we'd see what kind of animals we could find today and just enjoy a rather cloudy, overcast day that is nice, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Yeah. All right, let's go see. I believe that is a flat-billed something or another, but it's standing on one leg, and it's pretty. They're pink. There's a white one over there, and then this is a flat bill. A spoonbill? It's a spoonbill? Is that what it's called? I don't remember. I don't remember what it's called.
Spoonbill.
Spoonbill, yeah. A rosette spoonbill. And then the white ones are African spoonbills. And then a whole bunch of ducks that are gorgeous. So they're really pretty. Really, really pretty. I just love the so pretty. And that is a giant anteater. And he is much taller when he's standing up than he is when he's sleeping. Well, the macaws are out right now. All right, here we are in front of the Tree of Life.
Oh wait, you gotta save it. You gotta save it, take it and save it.
The detail on this is amazing. Look at that buffalo face. It's so cool. It's awesome. And a beautiful wag. Thank you for the wag. Oh, you turned around to take a close-up. How nice for you. Thank you. That looks like one of those zebra thingies. That's a kangaroo. That's a kangaroo.
It's a kangaroo laying on.
It's a kangaroo. That's so cool. It's a kangaroo. That is neat. You don't usually get to see them like that. That's neat. Well, yes, I see you guys. Yeah.
It's all the way in the back corner.
Yeah, you can't see him from the front, but in the back you can see him. That is neat. So neat. And these are making some interesting sounds. Yeah, and I've never seen him do that either. The lemur's up there on top of that little branch. It's a beautiful undershot of the tree. It's a duck or something. It's really cool. Really neat. Very neat. Look at these over here, my love. Look how adorable those are. Oh, there's the kangie sitting there, sunning himself. Aw, that's nice. Do you see him?
What is it?
It's a kangaroo. Oh, yeah. It's right there. You don't often get to see him like that, but every now and then you get a different view. This is a neat picture as well. Look at that. Wow, that's a beautiful eagle. Oh my Lord, that's a beautiful eagle. That is so neat. And then these are wide open ones with the flowers budding. It's amazing. Now we have two kangaroos sitting in the corner there. How neat is that? That's pretty neat. Awesome. Yeah, you're moving around up there. Oh, they're both up there. That's why I couldn't find the other one. You're both moving. Hello. How you doing up there? Aww. That's cute. Look at the beautiful colors on that spoonbill. They really are gorgeous today. Then we got duckies on this side. All right, so we made it to EPCOT. We did our first park hop for the year, and it's going to be fun. We're going to go see what we can get into, and there's Goofy right behind us. So he's
Check out some new food.
Check out some new food and see what else we can get into.
And the Pointer Sisters are playing in the concert series.
That's
tonight.
right. So we're going to go see what they're like and enjoy everything. Let's go.
Let's go.
Cool. Okay, so today we decided on coming to the Sunshine Griddle, and this is a Fruit Loop shake, which looks pretty decent. This is the corned beef hash with the poached egg on top. We had this last year, and that was very, very tasty. And then this is a shrimp and grits, and it's got cheddar cheese and all kinds of yummy things in there. So we're going to give this a try and see how it tastes. So go ahead, give it a shot. What's your first take on that?
Wow, that's delicious.
It's delicious. Okay, that's
Very good.
that's a really good thing. We'll give this a shot and see what it tastes like. Cause not a huge fan of grits, but I'm going to give this a try. So here, take that, and then we'll put. I'm going to try not to spill it in my face here. Cheers. Really delicious. Very, very tasty. Awesome. That's an interesting drink. It's a Fruit Loop shake.
It's got a little kick to it.
It does have a little kick to it. There's a little bit of spice in it, but it's not overly spicy. Not a huge spicy fan, but it's not bad. But it really is good. So this one is, I think this is plantain. I'm gonna try and do this one. This is a corned beef hash with the egg. Here. It's got the poached egg with it. Sounds like yummy. I'm not sure what that is. Wow. So I just wanted to stop here at this beautiful view in front of the test track and show you these beautiful red flowers that are behind me. And we also learned today that Guardians of the Galaxy is officially opening May 27th. So that's going to be really, really exciting. And we will give you our take on that when we come and ride on it. So by all means, continue to watch and enjoy and subscribe. Hit the like button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can tell when we're going to put another video up. Let's see what we got here. She's so cute. Beautiful these flowers are. We have the different topiaries, and then we have all these gorgeous flowers. Hello, how are you? That's wonderful. I'm glad to hear it. Thank you. We are here today at EPCOT to watch the Pointer Sisters perform in the American Pavilion stage. We're looking forward to seeing them.
At the American Garden Theater. Now put your hands together and welcome to the stage, the Pointer Sisters. Woo!
Thank you so much. We're so happy to be back.
Woo!
It's been a long pandemic.
It sure is.
So happy to be able to bring you a little joy. Live music is everything.
Yeah.
We're gonna slow it down just a little bit and talk about love. It could be love for your mother or your father, your siblings, your children, your pets, it doesn't matter. We all need it. We all crave it. Everyone, everywhere, every now and then could use a gentle touch.
Woo!
We all need a slow hand.
Yeah. Thank you so much for joining us today here at EPCOT.
We had a great time.
We had some yummy food. We got to see a lot of beautiful topiaries. And we hope that you enjoyed the adventure with us. And always remember, enjoy your adventures. Bye.